If you have stains like this on your Kyocera photocopy, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue today. So basically, the first thing I want to check before assuming the problem is from the photocopy or the scanner glass is to do a test print. If the stains doesn't come out of the test print, then definitely the problem is from your scanner glass. So I'm going to do an empty photocopy to see where the stain is from. So this is an empty photocopy. You can see that imprint there, even when there is no paper original in the scanner glass. So the stain is towards the bottom part of the scanner glass. You can see the stain here. It matches with these stains here. So the stain is generally from the scanner glass. So what I'm going to do right now is to open the scanner glass and then clean the under of the scanner glass and then clean some other parts of the scanner glass too, so as to solve this problem. So the first thing I want to do is to remove, you can see this plastic here, I'm going to take it out. Remove the plastic. That will expose a screw, and then with your screwdriver I'm going to remove the screw there. So I'm going to remove this plastic here. Yep. And then take out the screws on them. It is a screw here that I'm going to take out, and there's a screw at the other end too that I'm going to take out too. See, there's another one here too. So in case you haven't done already, I'd like you to like and subscribe to the channel. We have great videos on how to solve different office equipment issues. So I'll take out the screw here, take out this top plastic number cover, and take out the screws there also. So the reason why I'm taking out the screw is so that I will be able to take out the screw that is holding the scanner glass down. The screw that is holding the scanner glass is under. So if I don't take this out, I won't be able to get access to it. That is why I have to take out this cover entirely. So this has to come off so as to expose the screw that is holding the scanner glass in place. So with your flat screwdriver, just like the type I'm using right now, I'm going to pry it open a bit. You can see it is out. So I'll gently unclip it. You can see the clip there. I'll just unclip it on each of the end. I think there are about 3 clips there. So I'll unclip all of them and then I'll gently raise it up. Gently raise it up. Now this you can also remove, just to make things easy, you can just remove the ADF. Unplug the ADF and just remove it. It's very easy to do, but I don't want to do that because I want to do a quick fix because the office they need to work as soon as possible. You can see some of the staff they're already working, so I need to just make this fast. So that is why I'm doing it this way. I just want to get access to the stain, clean it up, and then the problem is solved. So I'll get a white piece of cloth is better. I always advise against using a tissue paper because tissue paper they tend to leave debris on the scanner glass, and then that might cause an imprint on it. So I've taken out the dust and the dirt right there, so that should be able to solve the problem. I'm going to replace the screw back now and do a test print, so you see that the problem is solved. So I'll replace all the screws accordingly, and then the problem is solved. So this particular fix can work for virtually any Kyocera printer, a multifunction Kyocera printer that has a scan of stain. You can just remove the scanner glass the way I do, and then clean it the way I did. So I'll clean the top a bit, and then I'll do a test print for you to see. So let's do I'm going to do an empty test print just to confirm that that particular area is properly cleaned. So test print is basically printing out, you can see this is the stain here, and then it's not more there. So the reason for an empty test print without an original is so as to determine the state of the scanner glass itself, if it's clean or dirty. So I'm going to clean it out. If it comes clear white with no stains at all, that means the problem is done. If it comes with any stain in any part of the scanner glass, you just go back there and just clean that particular area. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you some other time.